Hybrids are hotter than the tiramisu car hack trend on TikTok.
Sunshine, lollipops and
More Aussies are deciding to flock to the petrol-electric drivetrain that promises to deliver better fuel economy and be better for the environment. But is a plug-in hybrid or PHEV right for you? We're going to take you through 5 things you need to know before making the switch.
A PHEV is a fusion between a conventional self-charging or plugless hybrid, think Toyota RAV4, and a pure battery electric vehicle like the Tesla Model 3. A plug-in hybrid has both an internal combustion engine and an electric motor or motors, along with a modest battery pack that allows the vehicle to be driven on electric power alone for much longer stints than a plugless hybrid. With a larger battery than a conventional hybrid, you can commute daily in pure EV mode, so long as you plan ahead. The average Aussie daily commute is less than 40 kilometres, and with most plug-in hybrids offering 50 to 100 kilometres of pure EV range, you could essentially go weeks without filling up at the servo, assuming you recharge every night.
The benefits of a plug-in hybrid is that you get the fast refuel from visiting the servo, the saved storage from the battery from charging at home, and the regenerative braking while you're on the road, although the latter is quite mild.
PHEV batteries are smaller compared to an EV, so in a car like the JQ J7, you'll get about 106 kilometres of pure EV range on a single charge, with a total of 1200 kilometres of range with help from the petrol engine. Other plug-in hybrids like the BMW 330e have about 57 kilometres of battery range with 440 kilometres of range from the petrol, while newcomers like the BYD Shark 6 Ute can do around 80 kilometres of EV range with a total range of 800 kilometres.
Just like an EV, plug-in hybrid batteries will charge at varying speeds depending on its electrical architecture and technology setup.
For example, the Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid takes 6.5 hours to charge its 20 kilowatt-hour battery pack using an AC or wall box charger, as it can only drink the electric juice at 3.7 kilowatts, which is below average. This JQ J7 takes 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge the 18.3 kilowatt-hour battery at 6.6 kilowatts from an AC charger or wall box, so its recharge rate is quite good in the plug-in hybrid segment.
Moral of the story is read the fine print and do your research before you buy. As mentioned earlier, you really do need to plug it in to take advantage of the fuel savings and the electrical power that come with having a plug-in hybrid. Yes, it has a fuel tank, and yes, it's still a hybrid, but if you don't actively recharge a plug-in hybrid, you're basically just driving around with 200 to 300 kilos of extra EV tech that you're not utilizing.
Get into a habit, just like recharging your phone at night when you're sleeping. Plug the car into a home charger and it'll be range anxiety-free driving. But if you don't have access to a nearby public charger or off-street parking at home where you can install a wall charger, the plug-in hybrid option may not be as fuel efficient for your situation. A conventional hybrid would be better value in this case. Check out our advice guide on how to charge an electric vehicle and why it's illegal to charge a car that's parked on the street with an extension cord.
If you are somebody who loves a bit of power and performance on the road, a PHEV offers a truly unique driving experience. Many performance and hypercar brands are even adding plug-in hybrids to their lineup because the power from the internal combustion engine combined with motor or motors add for high output and high torque performance that is unlike anything else.
Models like the Lamborghini Revuelto, the Ferrari 296 GTS, and Mercedes AMG E53 Hybrid offer big engines, massive electric motors, and a lot of power. Long gone are the days where hybrids looked and felt like this. Instead, you're looking at something like this.
With so many new vehicles coming into the Australian market, there's never been a better time to buy with so many new options and different powertrains. To help you with your research, head to the carsales app and start searching for your new car today.